Hi guys, it's Mandy. How are you guys doing? Welcome. Come join me today. We are going to do another version of the Dollar Tree banner. Okay, we're gonna make this into more of a boyish decor. So last week, if you didn't catch me, I did our latest Chalk Couture design, which is only available this month. But I did it in like a bougie, let me find it because it turned out so cute. Hold on. It turned it a bougie boho theme, right? So if you can see it, like it's like the ombre, and then I had the gold paste over it. So pretty. But I got asked to kind of come up with a way to, because I thought this would be really cute in a girl's nursery, right? So I got asked for a way to do it in a boy's nursery. So how can I take the same design and make it boyish, right? Because boys are definitely wild and free, okay? So I thought, let's start with a blue ombre, okay? So guys, I'll post in the comments or up and above a link to show you how I did this ombre. I'm not an expert, but I think I found an easy way to do it because I've been wanting to do it for a long time and something just wasn't clicking. So anyway, I think I found an easy way to do the ombre for you guys. So check it out. Let me know what you think. What colors would you guys use? So that's what I want to know. But so we're gonna use the March transfer of the month. It's our club transfer, and we're gonna make it boyish. So let's see what we think about it. You'll have to let me know. The girl one I thought came out completely adorable. Oh my gosh, it exceeded my expectations. So I think this one is gonna do the same. So I'm just gonna get some fuzz on the back of it so it helps me get it off this surface a little easier because they are super sticky. This one is super sticky this month. So, and that just allows you guys, the stickiness just allows that super crisp design to come out without a lot of hassle. So it kind of is your friend. But so I'm going to center this on here, and then I'm not going to do the flowers. I'm just going to do wild and free and see what we think. I mean, the flowers are super cute, but they're not boyish, right? But wild and free definitely is. So we were going to see how that turns out. And kind of make sure that I have it centered here. I think it could go over just a little bit. So you can reposition it as many times as you like. Don't worry about it. The sticky will still be there. And if you get it to where it's like too sticky, then, or if it sticks on something you don't want it to stick on, water is your friend. So I don't know how it works, but the water deactivates the stickiness and you're ready to go. Let me see. I'm just checking to make sure that it's centered. So hopefully it is. Hopefully I'm looking at it right. And then we're just gonna get started. So I'm using Storm. So it's a gray color. So I thought that was more boyish. And I thought it would look good on the background of this ombre. So we're just gonna take it and just put it on the areas that I want to do the design. And I'll just use the squeegee to move it around and get the paste just on that design that I want. And we'll see how it goes. So what are you guys up to today? Is it nice in your area? Is it raining? What's going on where you guys are today? Who would rather have the boy or the girl? What's kind of at your home? What do you guys decorate for more? Girls or boys? That's what, I had one of each. So I have a boy and a girl. So, but honestly, you know, the girls like to do more decorating than the boys. We got to do, with my boy, we kind of just did, like football and called it good. I am gonna peel this back so it doesn't dry on me. So one thing you have to remember is, let me just kind of show you how. Can you see it? There we go. Wild. It's so pretty. One thing you have to remember though is you don't want your paste to dry on your design, because when you peel it up, you actually peel up the paste. So that's just kind of one of the things. But I can lay this back down now and finish my free and not be worried about it drying on me. It's just taken me just a little bit longer, just so because I'm not, you know, I'm trying to make sure I don't get the flowers. Flowers aren't very manly, are they? So they wouldn't look that great in a boy's room. Your husband probably would not be very happy if you decorated your boy's room with flowers. But wild and free, I think will be okay. Let me get this here. And now let's see what it looks like. If you happen to get some paste where you don't want it, you can easily just take some, you know, a wet wipe or something and wipe it off. So it's not the end of the world if you get a flower in there. Let's see, can you see it? And now let's do this. Making sure you guys can see it. The lighting is kind of playing tricks on me. Free. So there we go. Now we have little boys. I'm just gonna throw this in some water. Now we have a little boys wild and free decor with the same design, you know. That's what I love, is that you can mix and match them and make them what you want, your unique personality. You make one for a girl, one for a boy. So now, let's see, did that come out? I think it came out centered. That's what I was kind of checking on. It might be a little more over here, but anyway, you get the gist. But ombre, I'll leave a post up in the comments so you guys can go see how I did that. Super easy, guys. I came up with a foolproof way to do it, but I want to know what colors you use and how cute is this. And this design is only available for March. So the supplies will be in that link as well. So to click on it, get your supplies. I have everything there. And then if you guys have questions, let me know. Let me know what you're doing today. Hello, tell me where you're from, and have a wonderful day. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.